Okay, here's what I'm doing. I am going to put up magnetic things. Let me show you. So I wanted to be able to have it where I can change out what I put over here on the wall. So my crazy idea was to put these metal panels on the wall, and then I put magnets on the back of things like that so that I could put them up temporarily and not have it just be there forever. So I'm looking for a way to temporarily put things on my wall so I can change them up in my videos and all the different videos I do. So this is what I'm shooting for. And so, let's see. And I know up front, I'm solving the wrong problem. You're gonna say, what? What do you mean? The issue isn't what's behind me. It's what am I putting on video when I do it? That's the real problem. So let's find out. All right. So we'll get started. So I need a drill bit that'll let me drill through metal. So I can put 4 holes in it. And then I've got these drywall anchors that holds, I can't hold up to 75 pounds. Shoot, man, you put 4 of them, a whole lot. This is overkill. But I only want to drill in this wall once. I'm going to drill 4 holes in each of these 2 pieces of magnet. The other thing I want to do, I want to take this tape measure. And approximate where things ought to go. Timber. All right, through that one. So I'm doing the holes, and I got a block of wood behind it, so I don't go through into my desk. Yes, my desk is probably a lousy workbench, but it is. I am trying to dump all the metal bits into a trash can, so let's see. Now, it looks pretty good. Cool beans. All right, so. Kids, don't try this at home. I am not scientific at all. But, I think right there. But then, let's see. I'm gonna put 4 holes in each one of these things. I wanna make sure the bit goes in this thing well. It's a little plastic thing, it's got a point on it. Pretty good luck with these bits, so I'm gonna try them. And I may find drywall. Sorry, you probably saying, wouldn't you check for drywall first? I'm sorry, studs. Yeah, maybe so. Let's try that. Nope, no drywall, no studs there. And studs there. There's nothing electrical here, so I don't have to worry about that. You gotta go kind of slow when you get to the end. They will just keep on going through the wall if you let them. Okay. All right. I had thought about doing some painter's tape to hold it. Definitely got an idea. That's interesting. All right, pretty sure that's not going anywhere. So let me show you some fun stuff. So here, and I'm afraid Lowe's is my local place, so that's where I went. This is something called ceramic black magnets. There's 2 count. They're really strong. Disc magnets, 8 count. These all say Project Source brand. Okay, so there's actually 2 each. But yeah, they're there. That was especially strong. Now I'm gonna put the other one right beside it. So I have this entire area to kind of work with. Actually, I might space it out. So I've got a little clearance, you know, because I don't always need something in the middle. I could use it here or there. So yeah, let's do that. These are definitely gonna stay. And then I got some little hooks as well that I liked. Now these must be pretty heavy duty. Yeah, it's pretty heavy duty. All right. Now my thought process there was that the boards on the back have a place by the way, when that goes, it stays. My floor's magnetic. I can't do it. Now, there. I have a whiteboard that is definitely up there. It doesn't appear to be going anywhere right now. Top of that, I have a picture frame. I got some magnetic tape, which I will put on the back of this. So here's my extra. This will not hold super heavy duty stuff. So a light picture will be fine. And now I need something to cut it with. Boys and girls, do not do this at home. This is theoretically a sharp knife, but it might not be. I'm going to use this wood block to cut my strips. Let's see if that worked. So here we go. This tape sticks. Definitely sticks to there. It's not super strong though, but I'll make up for it by putting enough of it. So putting one in the center at the bottom. I may want to put some tape or some glue to hold it there. And then there's this one, and I'm gonna put it starting in the corner, going over. Okay. That is disappointing. Well, second runner up is I could put these there. I'll play around with that. I really thought that was going to be pretty good. Okay. Now, I do not have those magnets attached to that. I just have them holding it like a nail on a picture frame. So, it does work. Anyway, but that's the madness. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, which is also kind of madness, is I'm going to put up a magnetic tool storage bar. And this will be for things that are made of metal that will stick. And I'll put that up. Knife. Please do not try this at home, kids. Harder than it should have been. All right. And so then I'm gonna put something similar to hold this up. I will probably put this in the middle, right here, so that if I have things that I want to hold up at this height, I can do it. Again, boys and girls, do not do stupid things with knives. Scissors would have been better for this case. Okay. I didn't have any with me, so here I am. All right. Now. I'll put this about right here, I think. May have to move my camera to make it all work, but this is what I'm gonna do right here. Right? Here's the part where I look for my drill. Ah, here it is. No stud. And again, no stud. All right. Ta-da! All right. Now what will I use it for? Good question. Sometimes I'm just gonna need to hang stuff up that's made out of metal. That is light. Light things made out of metal. And I have a lot of those, now that I think about it, but we'll see. So this is my plan. Now, when I store my knife there, that's a bad place to store it. I'm going to close the blade before it does harm to myself. Now, this tool probably wouldn't stay. Ooh, it does. As long as the house doesn't shake, we'll be okay. But I don't plan it for tool storage. Maybe video tool storage, but not tool storage. Butterfly clip on it, or some people call them military clips. And then I could put something on that. Like that. So there you go. That's what I'm going to use it for. This kind of stuff. In order to put stuff temporary. So I can change out my... And that's it. That's my insane idea for today. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Bye.